Here we go. I got the left arm all cabled up, so let's see how it goes. It's not going to be a perfect run because I've still got a 1/4 inch bolt on there, so it does have it. The Waldo has a tendency to bend a bit, so we'll see how it goes, eh? Well, that wasn't too bad, I guess. I had to give the Waldo some support, but that's just because, you know, things are a little weak and wobbly. I'll pick up the camera and show you what I mean. Yep. Hope you don't get motion sick. We'll go around. Hello, snowblower. And right here, you can see what I mean. There's this L bracket without a cross brace, so that gives some issues. And also, that's just a standard 1/4 inch machine screw. So I'm probably going to upgrade it to some of these 3/8 inch machine screws, or well, technically bolts. So that'll give it more of a good stability, and you can see it's even already starting to bend. So I'll have to do that modification so it can bend like the other arm. And other than that, I just got to make sure Marduk still drives. Probably redo this tension beam right here because one of the anchors fell off. And I guess that would be it. So I guess it is a kind of an exciting thing that Marduk is nearing her completion. And that, you know, things are going to get real exciting because then I gotta start actually marketing this giant robot stick. So, you know, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you know people who like giant robot stuff too, you know, share it with them. They might enjoy it. So, until next time, keep playing with your mech's armpits. Bye-bye.